What's going on, everybody? So we're gonna iron out getting the scrap pile taken down today. I think it's gonna be one of the last things. For now, we're gonna work on cleaning up out here. So get this out of here, then I have one more scrap pile to remove off of my dad's property. So I don't know if we'll get to that today. Depends on if it's gonna rain or not. It gets awful soupy out of his place, but yeah, we're gonna get this loaded up, get it taken down. Hopefully this will look a ton better. Yeah, see what we can get into from there. At some point we'll just be clearing all the trees and stuff back there, but looking into getting my hands on a skid steer with a drum mulcher on it to take care of basically all the woods work here and on 2 other properties that need work done. So might just have one of those lined up for a week or so and get all kinds of stuff ground up, and that'd be some fun footage, fun stuff to see there. Those things are pretty nifty, but I'm gonna get to work, get the tractor fired up, fueled up, and yeah, start loading this crap up. It's like looking at it.
Yeah, you switch things up, now you seem brand new to me. But was that even for? Was you playing your games? Was you really bored? No, I really should've known. Be with that in May till we hit a red light. Did I see the signs? Oh, after all that time, this is it for us. You don't wanna try. Thought your love was real, but it's not for us. No, you can't decide. Should've known. Be with anyway till we hit a red light. Then I see the side. Oh, after all that time, this is it for us. You don't wanna try. Thought your love was real, but it's not for us. No, you can't decide.
Alright, so we're mostly full. I'm gonna fill in with some little stuff, but I think I'm gonna have to make one more trip. I was gonna try and squeeze it all in there and finagle it, but then I forgot there's a whole trailer frame in here, so that's okay. We'll just make a second trip. So that'll be 2 trips this one. We're probably gonna have to make 2, maybe 3 trips out of the other pile too, because it's bigger than mine. So okay, so just dumped load number 1, and we came in right at, get my paper here, 2,040 pounds, just over a ton. I'm pretty sure we got at least 1 more ton there, and then somewhere between 1.5 to 3 tons out of the other property. So not too shabby, not too shabby. All right, so we got it all, most of it. There's a little bit I got to pick up, some small stuff, but that was a grand total of 2 tons worth of scrap sitting over here. So that about covered the cost of our cleanup costs, so we'll call that a win. Now we can get in here and get this removed. This is actually the end of the feed trough there, so we found the end. But And you can see where we've been clearing back there. So we've been working from that side. We'll get this finish picked up on this side. And we'll just kind of get all this hacked out and removed over here. And that'll be that. And we'll keep on clearing that direction. But that's going to be it for today. We'll catch you guys on the next one.